Hi, my name is James Picaldo, and today we are making the devil's food cake. Well, it's basically a chocolate gâteau recipe of mine that I've introduced here in the islands 3 years ago, and I think I'm ready to share this with you guys, and it's really easy to make. So all you have to do is make your mixture number 1, which is basically your dry ingredients. It has flour, sugar, and equal amounts of baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And you have your wet mixture, which is basically your milk, 2 eggs, and I used a regular vegetable oil in here. So for us to do this, we also need some hot water. So it's already hot, ready, and you need about a cup of this in order for you to make the perfect smooth mixture for your devil's food cake. Right, so mixture number 1 and mixture number 2 in one bowl. And before you start, make sure your oven is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius, which is ready for our baking. And for this recipe, you will use 2 9-inch pans. So there you go, that's your mixture number 1 and mixture number 2, done. Right, so it's a bit clumpy. And the hot water goes in. This is your mixture number 3. Then you mix carefully until you get a really smooth cake mix. That is smooth enough. There you go. Now it's time for us to place them onto these baking pans. I'm using a regular baking pan with a loose bottom lined with grease paper. And now we're putting this in the oven, which is preheated 10 minutes ago. All right, so 35 minutes later, and this is what you're gonna get. So once it's cooled, loosen the sides with an offset spatula, and we're ready for frosting. For the frosting, we have to make sure that you have your butter right over here in room temperature, because we're making the basic Swiss meringue buttercream for this. Okay, so we need 4 egg whites, some sugar, that's about 200 grams, and a pinch of salt. And then we'll whisk it until it's stiff peak. It's gonna take about 5 minutes. Right, so once you reach the stiff peak, let's have a look. That is perfect. So you see, this is stiff peak. Perfect. Once you reach that stage, it's now ready. We're now ready for putting your butter. Your butter has to be room temperature. This buttercream is so versatile, you can add flavors to it. Any flavor you like. Lemon extract, vanilla extract if you want a basic vanilla extract to it. And you can also add coffee or cocoa powder. For this one, we're making a buttercream with a bit of cocoa powder in it, just a hint of chocolate. So there is your soft butter. We're adding that to your mix. Oops. Let's scrape that off. And then a bit of vanilla extract, because chocolate and vanilla are best friends. There you go. And a bit of regular drinking chocolate powder. Full speed for about 5 minutes. Again, if your butter is soft, it will be less than 5 minutes. So now our meringue and the butter is fully incorporated and it's looking really smooth. Let's have a look. And that is a very stable buttercream. Yeah, look at that. And this is enough for this cake. Now it's time for us to do our frosting. Right, so we have our frosting ready. we have our cakes ready, cooled. You can see that it's flat. It's kind of flat. But if in case your cake makes a round top, just slice it off. Make sure it's flat. So what we need to do is to get that. So the reason why we need the grease paper is so we can hold the cake easily. Now with your clean hands, take out the grease paper. Put it in the middle of your plate. You can put some jam in it, but for this, we're making this a very basic one, just the buttercream that we made. So let's spread some buttercream, just right in the middle. Let's take the second one, put it on top, and that makes a sandwich. Take that off, take out that paper, and now I'm applying the second coat. Some frosting on top. And you know, the beauty about this cake is you can actually put your favorite liquor in it. You can put rum, you can brush it with Baileys. So in order for you to do this design, get a plate, practice. So squeeze your frosting, squeeze, and then you drag it like that. Squeeze, drag, squeeze, drag. We can also apply that technique on top, but we're doing it sideways. So we're making like a vine design on top. So there you go. Squeeze, drag, squeeze, drag. And there you have it. This is my devil's food cake with the basic Swiss meringue buttercream flavored with chocolate.